Shwa. So, the first thing first, you're in Bobo Calcutta all over again, and you were there in Bobo Calcutta at Cannes. So, how was your experience there?
With Bobo or just in Cannes?
With wearing Bobo Calcutta and at Cannes,
And actually
winning the
that's
best
why I
actress.
had to wear Bobo today because I had to make a full circle of it. This is the first day I am back in Calcutta. I still haven't gone home, but I've come straight for here. It was Cannes, then then the whole last month rolled out, and the experience. What can I say? It was beyond anything that I ever anticipated. Warm, larger than life, yet personal and relatable all at the same time, which is it is really something to take a stock of because it is literally like so many different things being felt together. Yeah.
And also, you are making the change happen by starting off at your grassroots and then reaching a very, very, very high point in your life. So how important is breaking the stereotype, and where do you start?
It's because stereotypes are kind of like created. I don't know. I feel they exist for a reason because they are molded on patterns. But when they are pushed so much, it's kind of like a propaganda or an agenda, and I feel they limit us. So that's what I have tried to do all my life, I think, to break away from the notions and the patterns and the conditioning that could potentially limit me. And I think that's the danger of stereotyping. It could limit all of us.
And what are your thoughts on queer rage and protesting for your own rights?
I think Kolol actually said it so beautifully in the discussion earlier that rage and healing exist together, and that completely ties in with my own personal politics as well. That it's diversity basically. Give me as many different kinds of emotions, feelings. Give me the rage, give me the healing, all of it together, and that's when we thrive. That's when we get more and more enriched. So yes, very impressed with the queer rage. Not surprised at all. All too aware of it anyway. Absolutely honored to be a part of a panel of such prominent mountains really in doing what they do, and for me to be technically outside of the community but be welcomed here, it's everything really, and it